case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 1993 Supreme Court case, Northeastern Florida Chapter of the Associated General Contractors of America versus City of Jacksonville, the court examined the constitutionality of a city ordinance that reserved a portion of city contracts for minority-owned businesses. Centering on the 14th Amendment's requirement for equal protection under the law, the Northeastern Florida Chapter of the Associated General Contractors of America challenged the ordinance, asserting it violated this clause. Following a lower district court's granting of summary judgment in favor of the petitioner, the Court of Appeals overruled this decision on the grounds that the petitioner lacked standing to challenge the ordinance. This prompted the Supreme Court to grant certiorari, ultimately resolving the issue in favor of the petitioner. Justice Thomas wrote the majority opinion, which emphasized that an association of contractors need not prove that one of its members would have received a contract if not for the ordinance, in order to challenge it. The ruling clarified that the petitioner had alleged an injury of sufficient immediacy to warrant judicial intervention. The ordinance in question stipulated that 10% of city contracts be set aside for minority business enterprises, defined as businesses with at least 51% minority or female ownership. Projects marked for MBE bidding were reserved for minority business enterprises exclusively, and the ordinance allowed for waiver or reduction of the 10% set aside under specific conditions. Ultimately, the Supreme Court decided that the Court of Appeals had erred in dismissing the petitioner's complaint for lack of standing and remanded the case for further proceedings consistent with its opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.